Well, hey there, and welcome to my channel. I am Sarah McDowell. I'm a social navigator, I'm a public speaker, and I am a treasure seeker. I absolutely love thrifting, finding old things, new homes. So sit back, enjoy the show, and hey, if you would, subscribe and like this video. You guys, I have not unloaded anything. I've not taken stuff out of bag. I literally brought everything up because we struck gold today. Gold, 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 gold. Not jewelry. No. And the first thing we're going to start with is this. I don't know who it's by, and I don't care. That's so cute here. You got to get a little closer. OMJ. If you know who that is, let me know. Oh my gosh, you guys. I kind of want to take that down because I'm getting nervous about it being up there. So, hold on. I can't get too excited. I gotta be cool. I don't want any accidents. There would be no happy accidents here. Okay, we're going to start with what we have up here. First thing I found are, I haven't washed anything. I haven't done anything. I was so excited. I found these, not probably 1960s, 70s tumbler, pedestal tumblers. They are glass, and a friend of mine loves these, and I found them in red, which she does not have this color. $1 each. I got 4. I honestly don't really know what this is other than it's Fenton. It is signed. Let's take it was 25 cents. Oh my God. 25 cents. There's a sticker underneath this one. I really wish they would stop doing that. See, it's coming up. Oh, and did you guys, oh, damn it. So while I was at the restore, which is where most of the first part of this is coming from. Yeah, see, it's taken this, the Fenton. I'm not going to worry about it now. I'll steam it later. Anyway, I don't know what this is other than, ooh. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm on fire! Black light. Oh my gosh, can you guys see that? It glows. Oh, you guys can't see it, I don't think. It glows. So if you're not familiar, there's a lot of Fenton pieces and other pieces are called uranium glass, and when you put them under a black light, they glow. And it's epic. And this is epic. The only thing I can think of is that this is some kind of picture frame. I don't know. I really don't know. Okay, we got this Blinko ashtray. It's an ashtray, and it was half off, so it was $2.50. And this is made in Spain, and I don't know what it's for. It just says recycled glass made in Spain. But it was sitting next to this, and I thought, it's $1. Yes, please. So we'll just set those back there. Then I found these. These are beautiful. They are hand painted. Aquan China. I don't know who that is. Huh. But I just thought they were really interesting, given it almost looked like sea stuff here. And then you've got the poppies. They need cleaned desperately, but I love them. All right, I'm going to show you my favorite. I'm going to go ahead and do this. This is my favorite find of the day. Oh, wait. But there's more. There's 5 of these. Let's put them all together. Look at them. Oh my God, they're so adorable. OMG. They are marked Japan, and I think that's the Otagiri label. Actually, I don't think it is. I don't know what it is. It's redware. I do know that. Look at this lovely lady. Oh, and look how much they were. 50 cents each. Oh, you guys, I have the best. Well, it was a really good day for the most part. So I went to vote. And if you haven't voted, go vote. I don't care who you vote for, just vote. Well, I do care who you vote for, but that's not my business. And I went to the Restore first. And all of a sudden I heard this loud, I have my video, so I'm sure I'll be showing that footage. All of a sudden there was this yelling behind me, and this woman was screaming at the security guard because he was telling her she had to wear a mask. Her mask was down here around her neck. And she was just like, oh, I've been on my feet for 18 hours working and you need to stop following me. And it was like she was blaming him. And so, I was trying to be nice. And I'm like, ma'am, it's actually a state mandate. It's not his fault. It's policy. And boy, she lit into me. But that's okay, because I'm a big girl and I can't handle myself. And I did. And she was removed from the store. Again, I don't like wearing a mask any more than anyone else does. But my parents depend on me to do it. They depend on me so that they can continue living. Anyway, now we're at Goodwill. I'm sure these are tourist pieces, but I really like them. It says it's in some other language, so I can't tell you what it says. But it's just a little pot. This is a wood base, and then it's got the ceramic tile on the top. But wait, there's more. Don't worry, nothing's breaking. And this one's signed. Oh, let's get the dollar off. I think they're beautiful. I could see little succulents in that, but I don't know what that means. There's nothing on the bottom. Rep Dom, Dominican Republic. I don't know. I picked up these dipped bayberry candles, and it's my understanding. It says these bayberry candles, which also called myrtle wax candles, are hand dipped in the 18th century manner. So let's they're wrapped, but not. They smell pretty good. Here. So I checked the comps on them, and they were pretty good for $1. I spent the money. Okay, some of this is not vintage, so bear with me. Pandora, new in the box. Yeah, right in time for the holidays. And it was $2. Then this is just, this is like a mini humidifier. It's like a USB colorful humidifier. So I picked this up for $2. They sell pretty well. So, Mama's got to pay for her vintage treasures somehow, right? I hope my husband doesn't come home anytime soon. I got to put this stuff back in the car. This is for me. I picked this up. It's Hallmark. It's really cute. I put up a lot of plates at the holidays. I put out a lot of stuff at the holidays. I take all my paintings down that I have up all year round, and I replace them with holiday and winter type stuff. So this is just going to be a nice little accent somewhere. Okay. Again, very utilitarian. I have picked a couple of these up, and they've done very, very well. So I paid $4, I believe. Yeah, $3. And I think the last one I sold, I got like 50 or 60. So I did well. Found these. I love Crane cards, Crane and Company cards. So I found these holiday cards for $2. And so I will be using those for me. I spent $4 on this selfie stick. I looked it up. There were quite a few different types, and I'm going to take my glasses off for a while. And if I can't get anything out of it, I'll use it. It's actually got Bluetooth with it too, so I can use this all day, every day. I got me a pair of socks for the holiday. I may send these to my daughter, though. They were $2. They were regularly more. I don't know. I can't see. I have my glasses on. I got this yoga to go. And what they are, I hate to open them up, but I'm going to. They're cards. I don't know what that is. They are cards that have various yoga positions on them. And then it's got this little book that tells you what kind of positions there are in yoga. And then it's like flashcards for, yoga people. We've got, I think this is downward dog, forward bend with arm extension. Anyway, there's just different ones. The cat stretch, hamstring stretch, thread the needle, triangle pose, inner thigh stretch. God, these sound so good. I really need to do it. Cobra, forward bend, spinal twist, shoulders, overhead arm stretch, blah, blah, blah. Anyway, I'm probably going to keep this unless it's worth $100 and then I'm selling it for sure. So I went to Salvation Army first and I found a bunch of new, like these slippers are from Victoria's Secret. So I bought those. They're brand new Stuart Weitzman. I'm not a big pointy toe fan, but I took a chance on them for $5. I found these with the tags still on them. They're called Taos. And these sell really well. They're leather. They were $6, but they were half off. So, again, this is what, feeds my other habits. I bought 2 pair of Merrells. I don't even know what size these are, but let's try. Oh, they fit me like a dream. I really like those. I may keep one or the other pair. I don't know. Now, we had fun at Goodwill. I know everybody there, and they have new employees they're training, and all of them are super nice. No one has ever been unkind to me there. I found a single solitary Ugg boot. That's it. And I was like, oh my God, I got to find this boot. Now these will be for me, okay? And they're my size. They do have a small hole in them, but for me to just wear out and about, I don't care. I'll sew it up. My sister can sew it. I'll sew it up, for crying out loud. I can sew it up. And so I went up to the counter and I'm like, hey, we need to find the mystery boot. I cannot find the mystery boot. And so we looked and we found the mystery boot. So, pair of Ugg boots. I found this handbag. It was $5. It's called La Bagagerie. I have no idea. It's leather. It's leather. It's made in France. It came with a dust bag. Ooh la la. And I don't think it's ever been used, ever. And this sack. It's called Sack Roots. And again, I don't think this has ever been used. And then the new house, except for the couch, is all mid-century modern. And I've got a lot of oranges and greens, and I have a lot of just very mid-century colors. But I found this. which I love. And it's by Clay Art. I think it's vintage, but it's not old vintage. You know what I'm saying? It's not like 50s or 60s, but it definitely has that kind of mid-century modern art feel to it. So here's what I'm thinking about, you guys. I really want to keep that property. So it's near my parents. And I'm thinking about making it a second office. That's what I'm thinking. Plus, if I need to stay up there and help my parents, it's close by. So yeah, that's going there too. Okay, then I found this Abercrombie and Fitch. It is a large, it was on sale. So I paid $2.50 for it. It's my size. I love the zippered thingy bobs here. Nice little pockets. Ooh, there's something in this pocket. Oh, is it money? No, it's receipts. It's a lot of receipts. Apparently someone went shopping at Marshall's and took a bunch of stuff back. Oh, there's TJ Maxx. So yeah, we got those. Oh, and one more. These, I'm not sure about these, honestly. Again, I do not feel these have been worn at all. They are called Lola Cruz. So I found these. They're kind of this like blue gray velour. They were $4. And look, I just have to say, here's a few more things that I got. I got these really cool mid-century modern tumblers. And then I kind of wanted to keep these for my husband, but I probably won't. He's a pilot, so he loves anything with birds. Birds, 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 birds. What a day. Now I got to get all this put together before my husband gets home, back in the car before my husband gets home, and I have to work tonight. So I got to go. Hey, thank you so much for tuning in with me. I am Sarah McDowell, your treasure seeker WV. And hey, if you would like this video, subscribe and share it with someone you think might enjoy it. See you at the next show.